Hello, my name is Jason from Premier Repair Remodeling Services, Austin, Texas, 512-299-5284. We serve Austin, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Huddle, Leander, Pflugerville, Rumrock. Why you should choose us? We are responsive, reliable, responsible, trustworthy, and provide quality service and long workmanship. We have 20 plus years experience. At this time, we provide complimentary services, free home checkup, free leak inspections, free home caring advice. Small shower booth or bathtub leaks can cause major problems. Small water leak is hard to detect. Water leak can create mold. Mold can be harmful for your health. Minor damage can be significant damages. Contact us now for free checkup and free evaluation. Please call 512-299-5284. I'm Jason. I'm happy to help you. Thank you. We are Premier Repair Remodeling Team. 512-299-5284. Thank you for watching us.